So today I'm going to show you my SQL assignment. So sorry about this position. My webcam is gone, so I'm doing this like a third-party webcam. Anyways, my name is Arif Malik, and my student ID number is 4208062. So okay, let's get started. Already tested all the queries in my device, and it is sure to write the whole query. So I'm just copy pasting it from my report and pasting it in the database. So okay, let's continue. As you see this, the query will shortly demonstrate it. The query counts each employee's shifts in February of 2025 and finds out which is the highest and lowest shifts counts. It firstly opens group shifts by employer ID and then filter. You can filter it to return only employees with the maximum or the minimum count. The output as shows the employees with the most and the least shifts as well. So yeah, you can see the results of the query in this video. Now, as we are done with the part A of task 4, let's continue with the part B. Okay, so as we can see this query, let's just shortly demonstrate. This query lists machines and specific components such as clutch plate, flywheel, pressure plate that were used on each shift between March of 26 to 28 of 2025. Basically, it joins related table and uses group concat technique to aggregate component names per machine and shift date, sorting the results by machine and the date as well. As you can see the result of the query in the video. The output is empty because there are no machines are assigned to the shape between the suggested date, basically. This means that there are no recorded operations involving the specified and the components during the period. So yeah, let's continue with the part C. Thank you. Okay, so as we can see in the query, now I shortly that let's demonstrate it. A quick, this query retrieves machines that have undergone more than 3 times our maintenance activities. It joins machine and maintenance tables using machine ID groups by machine ID and machine types as well. Counts maintenance records, filters with those more than 3. The results are sorted in descending order of the maintenance cost. So let's continue with the part D first. Procedure ensures employees don't earn more than their managers, adjusting the salaries accordingly. It updates salaries using self join on manager ID and then displays all employee records. When I execute it, a procedure is created. To call this procedure, I'll call. Okay, so as we can see in this query, let's move further with it. The enforcement payroll procedure ensures employees don't earn more than their managers by adjusting salaries as we can do accordingly. It updates salaries using self-join manager ID and then displays all employee records as well. When we execute it, a procedure is created. To call this procedure, I'll call the manager procedure name with this call enforce payroll just simply. Okay, so let's see the result. Let's move to the next query. Right. So the get salary report procedure generates a salary report based on a given period. That's a week, month, or a quarter as well. It receives also employee details and their salaries along with the total salary paid in each department for the selected period. The procedure filter records based on salary payment date using date sub to determine the relevant time frame. When I execute it, the procedure is created. To call this procedure, let's call the procedure name. It has three filters to show. It has three filters to show all the three. So first one is for week. Calls get salary report week. Let's say like that, and it shows output for the week. Second one is for month basically. So yeah, let's do it. So this is showing for the month, and the third one is for quarter only. So yeah, it will show for a quarter. So yeah, this is all of the task 4, all the parts, and let's move ahead with task 5. Okay, so as I already imported the required CSV files to create the graph, now let's just create the chart. So after pressing Control the set slash, the dialog box will be open, and let's paste the chart query now, which is already I had copied in my from my report. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, it will open like this. This bar chart displays the total salary distributed to employers over different dates in March, categorized by employee names. So let's continue with the second one. Let's paste the data. Okay. And this shown in the line chart, it shows salary distribution trends across different departments, indicating fluctuations in salary expenses as well. So let's create the third one. Let's paste my data. And this is a horizontal bar chart basically, which ranks various machine types based on the total manufacturing cost, highlighting and the highest cost item as well. So let's move on. Let's move to the fourth one. Paste my data from the report. Okay, as we can see in the donut chart, it compares sales prices against manufacturing cost, categorized by the product designs and IDs. So yeah, this is all. This is my report. And again, I'm really sorry about the webcam. Thank you so much. Have a good day.